In this video I would like to show you how you can install and use FiveLoop on an iPad or iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is download the application. You go to the App Store and search for FiveLoop, and you can see the application here and download it. I have already done that. Once you download it, you go ahead and open the application. And you see the interface. Basically, it's like a web browser with an additional control panel here on the bottom. You see on the bottom these extra controls, and you can even use and drag the FiveLoop icon here to drag out a little metronome as well. So you press on the top, you see the URL field, text field, and when you press it, a keyboard opens and a history, a browser history opens, and you press the little cross on the right to delete it and start typing the domain or the URL you'd like to visit, and it gives you the history of your browser. So let's open this video here. And the control panel shows you rewind, play pause, forward, adjust the speed, set loops, and go into full screen. And let me demonstrate you how to use the loop. Basically, the loop is like a looper pedal. So you can press it once to set the start of the loop. You press it a second time to set the end point of the loop, and then it keeps repeating between those 2 points. And if you press it a third time, the loop is cleared again.
So we'll do something in the key of B flat.